Hello, lovely and wonderful family. Welcome once again to my channel. SAS Skincare is the name. If you are stopping by for the very first time, you are highly welcome. And to my old and new subscribers, God richly bless you for always being with your girl. Guys, in today's video, I'm going to make a promixing mulatto soup. Yes, this soap is 3 days whitening. So guys, let's dive into the video. Please remember this video is a tutorial video. Yes, I'll mention all the ingredients to you so that you can do it and bring me your testimony. Guys, let's dive into the video. Let's start to make this amazing mulatto soup. Guys, first thing first, you'll be needing your clean sanitized bowl. Yes, I mean a clean one. You get your bowl. After that, then you'll be needing your Caro White soap. Guys, if you are doing mulatto soap without Caro White soap, then you are mixing something. Yes, Caro White soap is one of the best soap for mulatto soap. So we'll be needing Caro White. It contains carrot oil. And you know carrots brightens the skin. You can also Google it and bring me your results. Yes, so guys, we'll be needing Caro White, 250 grams. So right now you'll be grating all the soap accordingly. Grate it one by one. To get the 250 grams, you have to measure it or scale it out, whatever you do with. So you'll be needing your Caro White soap. Use the same measurement for all of the soap. Okay guys, yes. So right now we will grate our Caro White. Grate it very well. Then you scale it up or you measure it 250 grams after grating it. Yes, so Caro White is one of the best mulatto soap. Our next ingredient will be our nano extra white. Nano extra white contains papaya and also carrot soup. Yes, it's one of the best soap that I love it. I normally use it even like that. I use it, I grate it, and I'll just add in the ingredients and I'll just do it. So this one too, we'll be needing 250 grams. Our next ingredient is our K Brother soap. K Brother soap is also very good. We need the carrot one, okay guys, we need the K Brother, the carrot one, but please be watchful. We have a lot of fake out there. I love this one, this particular one. It is very good for the face. When you get the original one, guys, trust me, you come back and give me a testimony. This one, you can use it like that on your face, but you grate it and also measure it or scale it 250 grams and you add to the soap that you have grated there. Then our next ingredient is our Carotone soap. Carotone soap is also very good. It's a brightening soap. Guys, Carotone soap is a brightening soap. Yes, you can use it like that, or better still, you can also promote our Carotone soap. You can also promise it. So you get 250 grams. Then you grate all the soaps. You have to grate it up, as you can see in this video. This video I have given you an illustration of it, how you are going to grate your soap. After grating it, you get your alpha arbutin serum. This one is a concentrated serum. Yes, you'll be needing this concentrated serum. You'll be needing 2 bottles, but we are going to use 1.5. You soak the soap with this serum, so you add in 1.5 to the grated soap, 1.5 bottle to the grated soap. Please, 1.5 bottle to the grated soap. You don't have to add in all of it. I said 1.5 to the grated soap. Then you'll be needing our skin free milk. This skin free milk is a bleaching oil, but we'll be needing 2. That one too, we are going to add in 1.5 bottle of our skin free milk, not the 2, please. Yes, because I want you to buy the 2 bottles so that we know how to do it. You'll be needing 1.5. Also, you add to the production, because these are the things that we are going to use to soak the soap. We are not going to use any shower gel, any oil. These are the things that we are going to use to soak the soap. So you'll be needing 2 bottles of skin free milk, but we are going to add in 1.5 bottle. Then our last ingredient will be our carovate oil. Carovate oil is also very good oil. It's a beauty oil. For carovate oil, we'll be needing 2 bottles, but we are going to use 1.5. Yes, it's not all that big, so we'll be needing 2, but we are going to use only 1.5. After that, guys, please mind you, add in your preservative. Adding preservative because soaps goes with water. Then you mash it up for 24 hours or you just pound it. Then you start to use it. Guys, trust me, within 2 weeks you bring me your testimony. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel. Also turn on notification bell. Please like, share and comment. See you in my next video. Bye bye.